Beneath a canopy of leaves in a wood of silver trees, the forest breathes like a sleeping giant. Sunlight dapples the ground through the branches, pooling on the moss like liquid sparkles. A ring of crimson-capped mushrooms glows softly. Not just a patch of fungi, but a boundary, a secret threshold between worlds. You slow your steps. The air here hums with a low, ancient music, older than the stones beneath your feet. Shadows shift as though watching. Somewhere beyond sight, wings flicker. A glint of iridescence. A laugh like falling glass. But still nothing to be seen. This is the realm of the hidden folk. Follow the glow of the red mushrooms, but tread lightly. In dusk and dawn belongs to the pixies, and they reveal themselves only to those who truly believe and are prepared to wait for the edges of the day. Will you be lucky enough to catch a glimpse of these mystical folk in this beautiful, beautiful wood?